on a quick detour. I believe this is called the Boardwalk. I just found out about it. Okay. Riverfront, yes. Big old sign in the front. Just trying to find some parking and then go walk around for a little bit. No, it's not closed. It just has to be 6.6 clearance.
Hey, those things look really small. Oh, that's
Dang, you almost got us killed. That is the exit. Dang, man. Yeah, you have been here before. Feels so city-ish. Okay, here we go.
I don't like those spots.
I don't know. I think we have to walk.
There's an elevator. Let's go this way. There's a stairwell. What level were we on?
Already forgot what level we're on. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, we'll figure it out. So this is a skating rink. What's this? And it goes like kind of twirly, not like just a circle or a loop. Here's the outlet. It comes out that way, and then you get to go wee and just twirl around and do whatever it is you do with skating. It's kind of melting. Oh, they have a visitor center. There's the sign, the Riverfront sign up there. Kind of murky, but it's still a nice touch, especially in the middle of a city. A lot of those rental scooters. Pretty cool, right? It's nice. Who doesn't get excited when exploring? Even if it's a busy touristy thing. There was a time when I was super like judgy about tourists and tourism spots, and as I'm getting older, I get excited. It's just something, I don't know, I'm just growing up, I guess. Not being so rebellious, like, no, I'm too cool to do that, I don't want to be like everybody else. Well, it's fun. There's the map and stuff right there, and there's the bridge. That's the bridge I'm getting ready to go across, because apparently there's some waterfalls over here. That looks like a pavilion. Let's go check out. Yep, it's the U.S. Pavilion, 1974 World's Exposition. Okay, let's go to the bridge. Oh, the history of the Upper Falls. Oh my goodness. I'll turn you around since this is way more interesting than me. Oh, I guess we do kind of get to cross a little bridge. Hi. This is the Riverfront Story Walk. Your journey begins here. Rami's Snowy Day. that makes me think of my little baby right there. Aww. It's okay, God, I trust you. Right time, right day. She'll be back with mommy. I just know it. What a beautiful little walk, though. So I was just inquiring about this, and let me see how this works. How do you get one of these? I don't even know. I think you have to get the app.
There you go.
If you're into that. Oh, there's North Face. I get a discount there because of my job. Schweitzer meant Altera, correct, because Altera bought Schweitzer, but we get a good discount there, I think. I just haven't utilized it. That's true. I really don't need anything. So, well, at the proper time. Store.
Actually, we don't need it.
Anyway, I could look at the laptops. I've been wanting a laptop soon.
I want a laptop too. Let's see how much they are.
Okay.
I'm gonna trade my desktop in for a laptop.
I made the appointments for her like a couple of days ago.
So they come right now currently packed pretty well, but you're going to get an upgrade to the processing chip on it. Monitors if you want to look at something bigger.
I'm kind of getting these mall vibes, like when I was at the airports. So I think it's too soon for me. So I'm not gonna sit there and tour this place, because I know if I'm tired of my walking around showing off malls, you guys are probably too. So, but yeah, it's a mall pretty much. And the one in the Spokane Airport and Seattle were pretty big. Different teas. Come company. It's too bad it's freaking long, the line. That looks like something I like. That tea place looks like something I like.